I teach cleaning business owners how to bid smarter and win contracts, period. I'm Karen Denton, owner of KSC Commercial Cleaning Services, and I've helped hundreds of business owners secure profitable deals with strategy, not luck. And this year, I'm celebrating 65 years of life, 15 years in business, and 22 years of surviving 4 brain aneurysms. And to mark this milestone, I'm hosting a powerful live Bidding Blueprint Masterclass, September the 7th, 2025 at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. So if you're ready to stop guessing your bids and start winning real contracts, this is where it starts. Celebrate with me, learn with me, grow with me. Seats are limited. Grab yours now. The link is in the bio. I hope to see you there.